guys, it's Amazing back with another amazing YouTube video, and today I have made a house. It was inspired by Why So Happy, so yeah, and I'm just gonna give you a tour. So first, just walk in, it's like, wow, you know, and I added this desk here, like you can just play some video games whenever you want. You just walk in the house, you're like, whoa. And then in here, when you walk down, you're just like, you go down and you see this pool. It's dark right now, so we can't go swimming, but I've also added this little cute statue and this little umbrella, and I think it's cool. I got inspired by that too, by a YouTuber. And here it's kind of like this like sun thing, and I put torches in the pillars because I have advanced placing, and that's why it's always going to be light unless you turn it off, which I don't recommend. Here we have the this random like band area, I suppose, and here we have a dance floor where you can dance and you just jazz to whatever music you'd like. So yeah. Oh, before we go back up, let's go here. Here is my living area. It's just, I think it's pretty cute. I just love it. And here's a bedroom with pictures of like Ariana Grande and shades. Yeah. And in here we have an office with the ocean picture for some reason. And here is like this pink kind of pastel room. I think it's really cute. I love it a lot. And then there's just that one great thing. Of course, I leave that one thing. Then here we have a garage full of motorcycles and stuff. There's like motorcycles in here, cars in here, motorcycles, carting on with pizza, and of course, pew pew. I like these motorcycles though, they're really fast. If you've ever tried one, comment down below. I don't know what that was. So here we have a closet just in case you want to change. Here we have a palm tree. And here's the bathroom where people just bathe, and there's like this one little toilet thing here. I think it's really cute, to be honest. Here we have this, and I actually got a trophy. If you've ever gotten a trophy, also comment down below. And I got it for gaming. I thought, wow, what is this channel? Isn't it a gaming channel where we drink orange juice? Yeah. And I put some cake stands, but for some reason I never colored them or put cake in them, and I just have turkey over there because I like get my moods up. And I put but first coffee, and I realized that since I do not like this and I have moldy food, I can take a portion, sorry, and just throw it away. So bye bye. And I keep saying and, sorry. So anyways, here we have this rock band room. This was my favorite part about the house that the Why So Happy person made. I think it was really cool. And here's an inspirational dark kind of quote. It says, "Sweat dries, blood clots, bones heal, suck it up, princess." And then just a bunch of other stuff, you know. And let me just open this up. Here's the bathroom. I didn't add a decal. Let me just add a random one. Hard zone. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the other room now. Here we have this like, this pretty, I think this is my favorite room. It's my room now. I chose it. And I like it because it has an amazing view. It just is so cool. If there's like a mansion there and you just want to stalk them, you'd be like, totes my goats, not stalking you. And then we have like, I think there's a guitar. If I just close, no, close. Okay, I'm just gonna have to do it manually. Then there's this guitar, and you can play songs such as Amigo. I'm your amigo. And that's pretty much it. Then we have another like secret room. Comment down below if you've seen what it was yet, but you probably didn't because it's all behind this wall. Oh dang it, I just spoiled the surprise. Wait, when we close this, it's all behind this wall, and it's kind of like, I should have made that in brick, but I didn't. Here is like a picture of the waves, and here it says, warning, no trespassing beyond this point, deadly force is authorized, and you may see why I say that. Because here we have like this huge thing, and people just like to bless songs. I'm gonna play Cookies and Milk. And then you like just stay there or something. Like if someone's there, it's actually really cool. This is my other trophies. Like I put premium and painting. I just put them in the most weird places I could imagine. Here we have my dad's truck. And then my dad. This was like for my dad. That's why I put a bunch of dad things in here. And then I have another thing. I put it in dark blue because I thought like that's pretty a Miami color, and I thought it'd be cool. Anyways, let's ow. And that's basically it. I'm gonna be making a video on that room over there, so make sure to go check it out, and like and subscribe to this video, and join the Maramazing squad by just putting hashtag Maramazing in the comments. And I love you guys. Fly free. I'll see you later. Bye. Hi guys, it's Maramazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, why not subscribe? Our goal is 100,000 subscribers. When we get that, I will be doing a huge giveaway for all of them. Did you like the video too? Then watch some more. See you later. Bye.